Start off by cleaning the polishing fixture with a 5-micron grit silicon carbide polishing film. Then, wipe down the polishing fixture with a low lint wipe. Repeat again with a 3-micron grit aluminum oxide polishing film. On top of a 5-inch polishing pad is a 3-micron grit polishing film that would be placed onto the polishing machine. Spray the film with distilled water and set the polishing fixture with connectors on top of the polished film and lock it into place. Set the timer to 100 seconds. When the timer is expired, wipe down the polishing fixture with a low lint wipe and then the polishing film. Remove the 3-micron grit polishing film and insert the 1-micron grit polishing film. Remember to spray distilled water. Again, set the timer to 100 seconds. Once again, wipe down the polishing fixture and film with the low lint wipe. Remove the 1-micron grit polishing film and place a final polishing film. Spray with distilled water. Start the final process with 100 seconds. When complete, wipe down the polishing fixture and film. Carefully take off the connectors. Check out our channel and hit the subscribe button for new videos.